Alright, now the heat thing is out. Very important to point out, this cable is glued to the bottom of here, so be careful in pulling it out. Okay, so this one is glued. Alright, now I'm gonna have to clean the GPU and the processor. Best to do it with the rubbing alcohol and paper towel. I'm gonna need to put a new paste before putting everything together. Alright, next, memory card. Let's pop it open. First one on the top is, looks like 4G and it's not focusing. Can do focus. The memory card out, 1 and 2. And let's get to the rest of it.